Let me tell you something. The price they were trying to charge for Kraft and what is it called? Miracle Whip, $4 or $5. I'm not paying that much money on some daggone mayonnaise. You got me messed up. I'm not doing that. That was a no. So I just got this little dollar brand value mayonnaise. I'm not gonna be eating it. So I mean, it really don't matter. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here,
welcome to the club, pal.
And as you wrap up today's title, you already know about to get into, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into this video. You know why you're here, because you just came from my last video, hopefully, or you know, you're just looking for a protein treatment during your hair, and I'm here to do a video on that. I'm going to be trying this egg protein treatment. Some of you all may not know, but I just took my month-old braids out. The video on that is in this video. A card will come flying out. It's a white tab. Yeah, click that if you want to see that process, and then come back here, and it will also be linked down in the description box down below as well. So it's actually is it the next day? No, it's actually not the next day. It is 2 days later, so my hair is not like soaking wet or anything. So I'm gonna wet my hair up with some water, and then we're going to get into me putting the protein treatment on my hair. An alternative way that you can do this as well is to obviously shampoo, condition your hair, and then do this protein treatment just like the order you would do a deep condition. So shampoo, condition, deep condition type thing. But I'm just doing this beforehand because I'm not working with time like that. It's already 8:55. The things you will need for this treatment: 2 eggs. You don't have to use 2 if you don't want to. I got this little dollar value mayonnaise because, I mean, self-explanatory, it was on like $1. And let me tell you something. The price they were trying to charge for Kraft and what is it called? Miracle Whip, $4 or $5. I'm not paying that much money on some daggone mayonnaise. You got me messed up. I'm not doing that. That was a no. So I just got this little dollar brand value mayonnaise. I'm not gonna be eating it. So I mean, it really don't matter. Argan oil, coconut oil, and olive oil. You don't have to use as many oils as I'm using. Most people, they usually just use one oil, and that one oil that they typically use is olive oil. But me personally, I need more than just olive oil. I have high porosity hair, so as soon as I put the moisture in my hair, it leaves quickly. That's the reason why I'm using these different oils, and I will list the benefits of each oil. They all have different benefits, obviously, that I need for my hair, so that's what I'm doing. And of course, you will need a spoon and a fork. I'm using the fork to whisk it. I'm using the spoon to scoop the mayonnaise out. To scoop the mayonnaise out, because I'm not finna be doing all that. The smell of the mayonnaise, I cannot. No thank you. No ma'am.
Does that make sense?
So now that I'm done with both sides of my head, I'm going to put this plastic bag on my head. Of course, if you have plastic caps, that's what you're technically supposed to use, plastic caps, but I don't have any right now, so I'm just using this plastic bag from the store. I'm gonna stand in the dryer for either 30 or 45 minutes. I'm not sure yet. I will see y'all once I'm from under the dryer. My thoughts on the protein treatment, honestly, when I, hold on, let me put my towel on, Jesus. Me personally, my hair felt a whole lot better, and it still does feel a whole lot better. I feel like it feels thicker than it did before. I did notice that it popped some of my curls out, so that was really interesting because y'all know it takes a lot for my curls to get going when it's wet. It was really easy to get out of my hair. The only con to this thing is the fact that it is messy. But then again, that could be because I used 2 eggs, so maybe it wasn't as thick, or it could be the mayonnaise, because this mayonnaise really wasn't that thick either. So I don't know. So that's down that. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.
Does that make sense?